Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will teach you how to create your own AI avatar using DID. You can generate our own avatar, some existing avatar, for us to generate our own videos. So let's go ahead with the tutorial. First we have a free trial which can last for 14 days. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's click on try it now. And then let's start the free trial. So now to continue, we do need to log in. So we can either log in via Google or LinkedIn or even our own email. So we'll go ahead and sign up. So once that we have signed up, we can see here on the bottom left that we have 20 credits left. So every time that we create a video, we will need to use some of those credits. And if we want to increase our credits, of course, we can go for a non-free trial and sign up with a plan. But what I will do is I will go ahead and create a video. And as you can see here, this is the editor that we have. We can choose different pre-existing presenters that we have. So we have some presenters which are shot from head to all the way to the hip, or we also have some shots or some AI presenters where it is just the face itself. We can also generate our own AI presenters. So as you can see here are some examples of generated AI presenters. But what we can do is we can actually create a prompt. So DID uses Stable Diffusion to generate all of these images, and it uses ChatGPT in terms of our scripts. Let's go ahead and generate our own AI. Let's say a warrior with golden armor and helmet with tribal tattoos on forehead. So let's go ahead and generate this. Once again, this would use Stable Diffusion to generate our image of our AI. Okay, so as you can see here, it says there's no face detected. Some of them are looking on the side and some on the side as well. Here you can't really see the mouth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the helmet, but I want him to be front facing. So let's go ahead and generate this. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. I did say, well, I didn't say there's no helmet here, but yeah, I think this is pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and choose this. So we can add, it says avatar added. So we can choose this as our avatar now. Once that we have our avatar, if we take a look on this side, we can add our own script. So we can either type our script or we can use ChatGPT to generate our own script. So to use the script generation, we will create a prompt. So let's say, think like a warrior, create a voiceover script. Then what we will do is we will click on this to continue our text using AI. Here we are. So as you can see, we created a prompt and AI has used something to generate our script. So we have a 20 words preview limitation and we need to upgrade to access the voice script preview. So I think this is quite okay now. So we'll use this as our script. So I'll delete the prompt. Now let's change a few settings. So we can change language. We can choose all of the different ones here available here. Okay, so we have different voices. So depending on the voice that we choose, we can also change the different styles right here. So say for example, our the voice guy, we can change his style to all of this. But if we choose someone like, I don't know, Jacob, we cannot change his style at all. We also have a choice to upload our voice audio if we wanted to as well. Okay, say if we choose Davis as our voice and then our style angry, we can also listen to what that sounds like.
I'm a warrior, and I'm here to fight for my clan. I'll do whatever it takes to protect them and...
Okay, so that's what it sounds like on this style. Again, there's multiple voiceovers that we can choose. Now what I can do is I can actually translate this and prompt again. As you can see, so we've created a prompt and it's managed to translate this into Greek. And then what we will do is, let's say we choose to add the voiceover in Greek. We can easily do that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this first. There we go. Now let's change this to Greek. And then again, you can choose either a female or a male voice. So let's just continue with the female voice and see what this sounds like.
Είμαι στρατιώτης και είμαι στην πατρίδα μου. Είμαι έτοιμος να προσφέρω την ευτυχία της πατρίδας μου και να επιτευχήσω.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like in Greek. Again, as you can see, you can create your own script. You can translate this easily. So this is acting like a ChatGPT inside. And you can create different prompts that you want. You can also improve your voice script as you want. You can change whatever AI that you want as well. So I'm going to set this back to English.
I'll do whatever it takes to protect them and...
So as you can see, we have our AI avatar here, we have our script here, we have our voiceovers here. I'm happy with this, so let's go ahead and generate the video. And as you can see, there is an estimation of how things are. So the video will take about 7 seconds. You do have your video name, so we can change that up here. And then as you can see, it takes 1 credit. So it gives you information first before you generate the video itself, and this is what it would look like. So let's go ahead and generate this. And here we go. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like.
I'm a warrior, and I'm here to fight for my clan. I'll do whatever it takes to protect them and make sure they thrive. I'm ready for whatever comes my way, and I'll be ready to take on any enemy. I'm a warrior, and I'm ready to fight.
Okay, so as you can see here, it was unable to pick up the mouth itself, but the voice over was really good. And it's not perfect. Once that you have a really good AI avatar, then of course you'd want to stick with that. I'm gonna go ahead and use another avatar and show you a fully working one. Okay, so here is an example of a working one. It's managed to pick up the facial features and made sure that the mouth is able to open. So let's go ahead and open this up.
I'm a warrior, and I'm here to fight for my clan. I'll do whatever it takes to protect them and make sure they thrive. I'm ready for whatever comes my way, and I'll be ready to take on any enemy. I'm a warrior, and I'm ready to fight.
As you can see, it was very good. It's very well structured. It's managed to find the face. It's generated something where we have the moving head as well and some stern on the eyebrows and the mouth opening up as well. And there you go. So I've managed to show you how to generate your own AI avatar in DID. So of course you can go ahead and create an AI avatar for pretty much anything. This can be for business, this can be for social media or for creative content, or even something fun just like this. So go ahead and explore, and I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.